Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use iOS 16 control center on any Android phone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, let me show you here. I'm using here my control center that belongs from my Android phone. So how can you use your control center? So firstly, what you need to do is just simply open Play Store, and here you have to search for iOS 16 control center, and now from here you have to install this one at the third number. As you can see guys, I have already installed this one, and just simply open it. Now it's asking for some access, so you have to give the access to this one. Okay guys, so I have already given it access. So here is the menu, so you can customize controls from here. Just simply tap on this. So you can also add apps in your control center from here. Now I'm going to add screen recording. Now I'm going to add my Instagram. Now I'm going to add my Messenger. I'm going to add my phone. As you can see guys, these three apps have been added to my control center. Go back from here, and here is the gesture show control center. Swipe up, one click or double click. Okay guys, now I'm going to select on double click here. As you can see guys, it's showing here none, so show control center. Tap on show control center here. When I tap on double click on my screen, control center will be open. And also you can see from here which position it will appear, from which position it will appear. It's showing here from right, left or bottom. Now I'm going to tap on bottom. You can also customize the color of your control center from here. Okay guys, so you can select your color of your control center from here. You can also customize capacity, width or height from here. Go back from here, tap on OK. It's done from here. Now let me show you here. So you have to give access notification. Just simply give it access notification. Just simply tap on allow. Now let me show you here. Here is my control center. Okay guys, here is my control center. As you can see guys, so you can also customize brightness from here like this. You can also select or customize volume from here. You can also use calculator from here, and you can also use apps from here, and you can also turn on airplane mode from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.